friends, so I am very late to the YouTuber tries other YouTubers thing, tag, trope, challenge. Most of them were makeup artists trying other makeup artists' tutorials, and I didn't really feel like doing a makeup one. I didn't really feel particularly inspired when this challenge was going around. But I've recently been really inspired by Manda31409. That's a lot of numbers. I started following Manda at the end of 2017, and so I missed this one video, but she recently talked about it because she was featured in a Netflix series, and they used sequences from this video on the toys that made us. So she talked about it and I was like, oh, I haven't seen that video, let me go give it a watch. And it's basically a fun kind of inspirational video on how to be kawaii in 10 easy steps. And she even mentions in the video that it's not supposed to be taken super seriously, but then I thought, what if I did take it really seriously though? Like, what if this was an extreme test to see how kawaii I am? And I started watching it and then I stopped because I immediately knew that I wanted to do something with it. And for those of you out there who might be thinking, but Lore, you're also a kawaii fashion blogger, YouTuber, what have you. Why? You don't need this, you already are kawaii. And to you, I say, shut up! I want to do it! I want to see if I can do it. I want to see if I am doing it correctly. So now, of course, this video is also all in fun, but I'm gonna take it really seriously. So let's dive in. This is life and death. They're gonna revoke my kawaii license if I don't pass, if I can't do these steps. What if I'm not actually kawaii? Also, I realized that I say kawaii wrong. Everyone always, I've said it different ways over the years and everybody always comments on it. I'm sorry. I'm American and Canadian and Japanese is not my first language, obviously, so yeah.
Hey dolls!
Hello!
It is Manda31409 and in today's video I'm going to teach you
She said that so fast.
guys how you can be kawaii in 10 easy steps. And keep in mind, this is all just for fun. You do not by any means have to follow any of these rules. You are cute just the way you are.
No! This is serious. I have to follow these rules.
This is just a fun, happy video. So
Serious business.
take it for what it is. It's just something I kind of filmed at random. Not really planned.
Ha! Same. This is kind of something I'm filming at random that I didn't really plan, but I think it's gonna be fun.
That being said, let's go ahead and get on into this and I'll teach you guys how to be kawaii, kawaii, kawaii. One is get inspired. Get on Tumblr, get on Pinterest, get on the internet, and follow blogs.
Done! Done! Hold on. My iPad's dead. Gotta prove that I follow cute blogs. If I don't, then I'm not really kawaii. Hold on. See? Haha. I follow. There's already a Lolita. Some ad. Yeah, I follow a lot of cute people, a lot of cute grams, blogs, what have you. Yes, look at all of the cuteness. Yes, yes, yes. Done. Number 1. Check.
Pastel wigs, whether they are
Yes, I have that. I don't have a pastel wig like the one that she is wearing. I feel like Manda is known for like pink and purple, and I don't have just a solid pink or purple in that hue. It's kind of like a Rhapsody wig. Okay, what's the closest thing I have? I have this Gothic Lolita. Is this Gothic Lolita or is this Rockstar Wigs? I think this is actually same company. Rockstar Wigs Rhapsody rainbowy wig. It's kind of similar to the one that she's wearing.
or pink or wavy or curly or whatever. Have fun with them. Style them the way you want. Put little pigtails in them. That's my favorite thing to do, is to just add the little pigtails in the back or even low pigtails.
You might think that this is silly advice to just like wear pastel wigs, but honestly, I already feel way more cute. Now it's such a nice, just easy step to like make your outfit cute. I didn't even really think about how much wigs like can change a look until doing this just now. I look like I did so much work and all I did was put a wig on. Whoa, she's upside down! Is this essential to being kawaii? Do you need to be upside down? Is it the angles? I could just turn my camera upside down or edit this upside down rather than trying to actually go upside down.
The pastel outfit that you wear. Cute pastel clothes. Again, I have some that are Lolita style, which is what you guys see right here.
Oh, Lolita. I'm not familiar with that at all. Pastel clothes. Check, check, got it. Yep. Am I kawaii now?
But you don't even have to go this extreme. You can go as simple as a plain pale pink.
Oh, this is like a quiz now. This is a quiz within a quiz, a challenge within a challenge. I'm gonna name off everything that she's wearing. So from the left, that's a kawaii goods dress, I'm pretty sure. Kurilakuma Kigurumi. Don't know what the purple shirt is with purple ears, but it's really cute. And then this My Melody Kigurumi, which I have, so I am gonna wear that because it'll be more exact to what she's wearing. Haha! I am mastering the tutorial. Succeed at the toot. All jokes aside, this is actually really good advice. Like, it looks like I tried really hard and look really cute, and all I did was put a onesie on and a wig.
And accessories.
Accessories!
Earrings are your best friends. Layer those things on, get them in all different shapes, styles, and colors, because again, you can wear them with whatever outfits you have on, and also with accessories such as
hold on! Slow down! Alright, I'm just gonna put accessories on in my hair, I guess, or I'll put, she's putting on bracelets. I'll put on bracelets. Haha!
When in doubt, just throw on every accessory you have that is pastel and
every accessory that I have that is pastel. Every single one. Manda said to put every accessory I have on. I regret everything. Round two, guys. Every single one. This video has become a how to do a decor cord in 3 seconds. Gonna have to clean my room. I found more bracelets.
collect vintage toys, whether they be Care Bears, Puppy Surprise, My Little Pony.
Now you want me to get my toys? My room's already too much of a mess, Manda. Just, yeah, I collect cute toys. They're all over my room. I'll just, cut to it. Yep, check. Cute toys, got it. If you're following along and feel like you don't have enough cutesy toys and are looking for an opportunity to add to your collection, well, you're in luck. Well, hi, I'm Sponsorship Lore, here to tell you all about Akiba Catcher, an online crane game run through Tokyo Otaku Mode. You know Tokyo Otaku Mode, or TOM, the site that carries anime merch, J-fashion, and figures. Now they have a site called Akiba Catcher, which is online crane games that you can play live. Prizes ship worldwide for free, with only a few exceptions. Mexico, South America, and Indonesia. But hopefully, in the future, they will also ship to those places too. TOM users can win NP, the currency used on Akiba Catcher, by sharing posts of their catch, using the hashtag MyAkibaCatch on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. The first winners will be announced on July 6th, and they will be weekly after that. You can also spend TOM points earned from purchases on Tokyo Otaku Mode on NP for Akiba Catcher. So every time you buy Swan Kiss, on Tokyo Otaku Mode and get points from it. You can use those to then play crane games and win more prizes. Tom Premium members can play once a day for free. People with a Tom account can play for free one time every Friday. Tom Premium members can also purchase NP, the currency used on Akiba Catcher, at a discounted price. Now you have even more ways to be kawaii with Tokyo Otaku Mode's Akiba Catcher. Now back to tutorial lore.
Bright, colorful lips and long eyelashes. My favorite lip colors to use when I'm dressing in Lolita or trying to be...
That purple is such a cool color. I've never tried anything that color. I want to find this exact lipstick and try it. I did already apply, I don't know if it's still there, a kind of like pink purple lipstick, the pinkest purplest lipstick that I had.
This one from Maybelline, and it is in the shade Lilac Flush. It is a really, really pretty purple. And then sometimes I like to pair it with this Catwalk Pink by Milani. And as for eyelashes, you can get long, doll-like lashes anywhere. Try eBay for those as well. You can get a pack.
I don't want to put eyelashes on. I do have a lot of eyelashes, and the advice that she gives about getting them on eBay is really smart. I do buy a lot of my eyelashes on eBay.
Wear sugary, sweet perfume.
Yes! Done! Okay, I wear a brand called Calgon? Calgon? I don't know if it is everywhere. It might be only in Canada. I don't know. But they have a whole, like, sweets line. Marshmallow and different types of cakes and treats, and I love it. I love smelling the way that a Lolita sweets print looks.
Glitter. Add glitter to everything. Go crazy with that stuff. Put it in your hair, put it on your clothes.
Oh no, glitter. I already constantly have glitter on me, but I guess I should add more. It's part of the tutorial.
Air.
Throw it up in the air! My room's already a mess! I have decided to take safety precautions. Alright. Let's, let me see exactly how she does it.
And let it land everywhere. Glitter it just makes everything better, doesn't it?
Okay. This kind of...
Let the rain fall down and wake my...
That's the kawaii seasoning. Delicious. Oh, it's everywhere. I probably could have just edited some glitter effects over the video, but nope, I really did it. Oh, I'm moving my bangs and more of it is falling. It is very cute. I do love glitter. Alright, what's the next step? Now that we are glitterified?
When you take your pictures, edit them with cute apps.
Oh, okay.
Such as Line Camera, or DecoPic, or Rakuga Cute. Just
where did my
apps
phone
that have
go?
really...
I'll get my flowers behind it to be cute. I have a zit that just will not quit. Does anyone else's Line app do this where like it doesn't keep their stickers? You have to like reinstall them every time, and then when you try to use it on the subway and you don't have internet and then you can't use your cute stickers? No, just me? Okay. Number 10, the final step and the most important one.
Be happy and smile often. Being kawaii is all about being happy.
I want
and
bubbles.
Just living your life to its fullest without caring what other people think about what you're wearing. Who cares if you are dressing up in full sweet Lolita?
I totally understand what she's saying, and I completely agree that it's about having like a fun attitude and being happy and not letting other people stop you, and I definitely do that. And so check! I am kawaii! I have succeeded. Like 9 3/4. No, I don't want to make a Harry Potter reference. No, no, no. That's just what Holly wants. 9.5 steps out of 10 because I didn't want to put on eyelashes. But I am kawaii. This video has just been for fun and like a joke and to goof around, but I kind of wanted to talk about something relating to this that I feel like a lot of kawaii and like cutesy vloggers, bloggers, people don't really talk about, and that is, I feel like there's sometimes pressure to be happy. You just have to be like bouncing off the walls, happy, cute all the time, and I've heard people tell me that they're kind of discouraged from dressing this way because they don't necessarily feel that all the time, or they don't want to project that all the time. I'm not saying that Manda's advice is wrong. It's completely right. What she's saying is that you should have confidence, you should be happy, but I just want to say that you don't have to be happy all the time, and you don't if you are feeling sad or you're feeling a certain way, you can still dress in pastels and you can still look cute, and I don't think that people should expect that people wearing Fairy K or wearing Lolita are gonna be this like outwardly bubbly, excited, gonna entertain you, gonna be super happy all the time, because they're still people. And I definitely want to encourage that you can still look this way even if you aren't necessarily feeling happy on that day. I don't want you to feel pressured if you are feeling a certain way to pretend that you're happy, or to feel like you can't be cute, you can't dress up just because you're going through a difficult time. Because for a lot of people, putting on cute clothes and putting on bright colors, like, it will help them feel happier and help them feel cuter. I know that's what it does for me. I hope that now you are feeling inspired. I feel like Manda's steps were very accurate, actually. If you also decide to follow them, you too will be kawaii. Stay lovely. Don't yet feel how long, and you don't not sure, by sharing their posts